Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin at Berry Avenue, walk or fast travel straight to the boutique district so you can act fast. Once there, open the map and set your marker on the eyelash vendor icon, because timing matters. Vendors rotate stock between 09, 00, and 18, 00. You should make sure you have at least one half inventory slot free and $20 ready for trades or listing fees. Start by scanning shelves and vendor windows for any item labeled mesh eyelashes. If none appear, check vendor restock times and nearby NPC drops. Once you find mesh eyelashes, decide quickly. Buy directly for $20 if you need them now, or trade materials, 2 fabric scraps plus 1 dye to save currency. If you craft, go to the boutique workbench, place the mesh base, add lash fibers, and then apply dye in the dye slot to lock color. Make sure you check rarity. Rare or epic versions require 3 to 5 extra materials and improve durability and appearance. Finally, inspect stats and preview appearance before finalizing to avoid wasted materials. You finish by equipping the mesh eyelashes from your wardrobe, then open the customization screen to tweak size and angle so they sit naturally with your avatar. Make sure to save presets if you plan different looks. If you can't find the item, confirm you meet level requirements or have unlocked boutique reputation tiers. Some items are gated. If vendors don't show restock, reset the UI, close the shop and reopen it, or relog to force a vendor refresh. This resolves 90% of missing item issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.